wanna roll with a good girl. Do it big, do it all for a good girl one time. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the Carrie Diaries. It's your girl Carrie on the K, and I'm back again with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a pack with me / clean my room with me video. Mainly because I'm going home for a whole week. I'm leaving on the 19th, and I won't be back to my dorm until the 28th. Mainly because my birthday is Wednesday, the 23rd, but also because we're having a little celebration for my grandma tomorrow. I already know because her birthday was the 15th or whatever. So yeah, we're going to celebrate my grandma, and then I also get to spend my birthday at home this year, which is good because I didn't get to last year, mainly because I was in college, so it was my first year. So it was a little different, but that's besides the point. So we're doing this clean with me because we're having a room inspection while I'm gone. So I just need to do everything tonight. It's like 11 something, but we're not gonna talk about that. Every time I have to go home, I always get ready late. I don't understand why, but it's okay because I tough it out. So all I really have to do is wash clothes, pack my bag, and clean my bathroom and make my bed. It's not much. And then in the morning, I'll take out trash. I'm also debating on if I want to like vlog tomorrow and post it on here, like post it in the same video, but I'm not really sure how I want to do that, but y'all will see. And also, I want to start making TikTok videos, like spend the day with me and stuff like that, but I don't know, it don't be working out for me, but y'all stay on the lookout for that. So before we get into the video, I also want y'all to stay on the lookout. Sorry, I got a message. I want y'all to stay on the lookout for a few other videos that I'm going to be having probably in the next 2 weeks. Prepare with me for my 20th birthday. Make sure y'all catch up your girl. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, prepare me for my 20th birthday, and then also like a 20th birthday vlog, of course. So that's all I have to say. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell button down below so you'll be notified every time that I post, and we'll get right into the video. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come
Okay, y'all, so I didn't do like a question and answer kind of thing on my Instagram because this was like kind of impulsive, if that makes sense. Like, I just figured out that I wanted to do this video like before I went out, because I had an outing with my one of my school clubs, Ignites, at Coastal. We went to Flynn Warehouse tonight, but yeah, so we were like on our way there, and I was like, what if I did like a pack with me? Y'all, I could really make this like a spend the night vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna title this, but anyways, back to what I was saying. I didn't ask questions, like tell y'all to ask me questions on Instagram, mainly because when I do put it out, my followers don't be active. They'll give me suggestions and stuff, but they're like not active. They don't want to ask me questions, and I'll just be like, well, I don't want to go online for questions because I want to know what y'all could ask me. But you know, it's okay. It's fine. We'll survive. Hopefully, with me trying to become more consistent, like I'll make better videos, if that makes sense. I don't know what y'all want to see, but y'all can always leave comments about what y'all want to see. I know I owe this channel a girl talk, and I also owe some people my business, but that's a different story for a different day. Yeah, y'all, I just been chilling. That's going in the trash. Hold on. Accidentally threw my sock. So yeah, we'll deal with these in a minute. But I really don't know what to talk about right now, so probably about to make this a little time lapse or whatever, because there's nothing to talk about due to the fact that I didn't say I'd ask me questions. But hopefully I can do a Q&A soon and get like a lot of participation, because I just want to do one. I want to do that video so bad, like a Q&A. But it's okay. And also, I know like I'm in college and that I should be making like college content, but my classes are online. So yeah, I have one in-person class, so I could do like comes to class with me, but it's only one class, so I'll have to like show y'all my whole day. But as of now, my days consist of like me going to class. My Thursday is like me going to class, and then I might go get lunch by myself or something, and then I come back and go to sleep until it's time to do something else, like go eat dinner, which is bad. But another thing, never mind, I'm finding stuff to talk about. Another thing is, so like, I knew like with the new year, I wanted to start working out. And sorry I say like a lot, I need to work on that. But yes, I started to work out. I wanted to start working out more, but I actually wanted to go to the gym. Y'all, I don't want to go to my school gym, but like I also don't want to go to a gym, which is bad because I need the equipment, but like I know that you don't need the equipment as well. So I started doing like YouTube workouts and also like stretches every morning, but I slacked for a whole week and a half basically. So I need to get back on that. I started taking biotin. I mean, I don't think it's bad for you, but like, I guess it could be good for you. I don't know. I got the hair, skin, and nail one because somebody told me that it helps your hair grow. thicker and stuff. So that's why I wanted to try it, because as y'all know, I cut my hair again in October. Love that for me, but now I wish it was long again. Like, I never really realized how long my hair is until I cut it off, and then I start looking at pictures, and then I get mad at myself. And I won't say that's what really happened, but I do miss my hair a lot. And I don't know if y'all are gonna see my hair in any of my upcoming videos, but I do want to get my hair done for my birthday. I just don't know how, and I don't even have a theme. Like, I was very excited for my birthday at one point, and now I'm just like, it's here. It's coming up. Nothing special. I feel like that happens every year, but when it actually gets here, I'm gonna be more excited. It's just a phase I go through before my birthday comes, but yeah. Hopefully, I kind of want to get a camera this year, but the way I do YouTube, it'd be like, do you really need to invest in a camera if you're not consistent now with just the phone? If I was consistent and like my views and stuff were up, I feel like I would be confident enough to be like, I need a camera. But right now, I'm just like, it's just an accessory that you want, and the only thing you're gonna do is record a few videos on it. But on the other hand, I feel like I would have it for a long time. So those are just a few things that I have been thinking about. If I think of anything else, I'll let you know in the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hey y'all, so I didn't forget about the video, but like I woke up really tired this morning because I didn't go to bed until like 2 in the morning. But yeah, so as y'all can see, the car is packed. I'm like an hour and 22 minutes away from home. I stopped in Columbia to see my dad. That went well. And yeah, I'm headed home now, so I'll be home in like 1:30, 1:40, something like that, before 2. And then I don't know if I'm taking y'all with me today, but we'll see. Okay y'all, so as y'all can see, I look different because I'm at home. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this video right here, and then y'all gonna see another video and I look the same. But yeah, this wig is cute. I just cut it because it was getting like frizzy and stuff. But yeah, that's besides the point. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell button down below so you'll be notified every time that I post. Do it big, do it all for a good girl one time. This is
is a song for the good